Hey there, just thought I'd film a quick video. The other night my upstairs AC stopped working. The outside unit was working just fine. The fan was blowing and it was getting hot, but yeah, the temperature was a lot higher than the other unit. I came inside, no air was coming in the house. Turned out that the blower fan was bad, which is this big boy right here. There's another fan right here. This is a Lennox unit. Model G40UH and a whole bunch of other numbers. This is the other fan in the unit, but this is for the heater. So the AC unit has this big mamma jamma over here. Don't try and replace that one. You'll be sad because your AC still won't work. It's actually really easy to get out. You got to take off this panel right here with some circuit boards on it. There's a couple of wires coming out of this guy. Here's the capacitor that's plumbed into it. There's a whole bunch of other wires here. I'll take you around. On mine, they look like this. There's 5 of them, and they hook into a couple of different places on this circuit board right over here. Mostly over on this side where you see little tabs coming out. So take pictures before you take it apart so you know where to put things back in. And then once you get this guy off, which it's only a bolt right up here and a bolt right down. No, I'm sorry, for that unit, it's just this bolt right here on the side. You don't even have to take it off all the way, you just loosen it. Same thing for this one up here, and then there's an eyelet at the end. You slide it over, the whole thing comes out, you put it off to the side, and then there's a bolt right here and a bolt right there for the whole blower motor unit, and they go in right up here, and there's another one down there, and then this whole thing just slides out as one big assembly. Once you have it out, in my case, you get to take it downstairs. Bear with me for a second. And then the fan motor actually sits right here in the back. So the wires coming out. Oh yeah, there were these other 2 blue wires. I have no idea what those go to. It looks like some kind of thermostat right there and right there. They just hooked in with this 2-prong tab to this guy right here. It comes apart real quick. And the next step is to loosen these 4 bolts, pull this fan motor out. Now you will have to also loosen this little adjuster guy right here to slide the squirrel cage fan off that shaft. But once all that's done, you'll be able to take this whole motor out. Now you can go and buy a new one from Lennox for, I think they're about $300 when I priced them out, but I've had to do this before on a couple of different units. I've replaced the outside condenser fans and I've replaced these inside blower fans. You can just go down to Granger. They usually have something that'll work for about closer to $100. The size and everything will work just fine. Usually they're more modern units, and instead of having 5 wires like this, they might only have 4 or 3, and they'll come with a different capacitor. But the guys there are usually pretty helpful. They'll teach you how to wire it up if you haven't done that before. All right, that's how you replace a blower unit on one of these Lennox G40UH AC heaters. Thanks for watching.